My name is Unnam Sai Pranay. I am from Guntur town in Andhra Pradesh state. At present, I am a third year graduation in mechanical engineering from RER and JC College of Engineering. Maybe I think on third week of August, in lockdown period of our country, Career Labs has conducted a webinar about the higher studies in my college. It was conducted by the Hemant sir. He explained the clear picture of how's the situation, what if we either pursue masters or for placement. After webinar, I surfed through internet and came to know about Career Labs, an edutech startup company by co-founders of Byju's, a famous edutech company in India. At my initial stage of my bachelor's, I decided to pursue masters in Germany. But at that time, I was a kid that how to proceed into well-reputed German university. After a clear-cut explanation of Hemant sir in the webinar, I decided that Career Labs is the perfect destination that helps in pursuing a admission in well-reputed German universities. In my second year of my bachelor's, I want to enhance my skills, I want to settle in the abroad, and I want to pursue higher studies. So this is my chance. After enrolling into Career Labs, at the initial phase of my journey, I faced the test that checks about my skills and potential, and it's quite similar to aptitude tests conducted by the companies. Exactly after 15 days, my results were published, and my mentor named Kritika Srinivasan ma'am contacted me and given suggestions how to meet the requirements of German universities, like learning German language, attempting examinations like GRE and IELTS, attaining the sufficient knowledge through the internships, projects, which subject I am interested in pursuing. Through attending 3 tests, I came to know that which skill I want to pursue, I want to enhance it. After my evaluating my results and my capability, and after my mentor call, Career Labs have provided 6 starter pack courses related to my skills and my bachelor study. That is mechatronics starter pack, design engineering using CATIA and Dassault Systems CATIA and SolidWorks, and structural stress engineering using the CATIA and the SolidWorks software, and Python for data analytics. After reviewing my starter pack courses, I came to know that Career Labs had provided industry-needed curriculum and courses. The best thing attracted to me that company providing its industry-needed courses for analyzing and letting me to choose best one out of it. Whereas other institutes just provide only all industrial-related courses, but don't know which course is correct that we should enhance my skill. Career Labs will help by testing our skills and providing courses according to my skills and your skills also. After completion of my starter pack courses, as I am interested in finite element method analysis, I chose structural stress engineer using CATIA V5 software. This course was provided by EDS Technologies. This course is concentrated more on structural analysis and covered design and assembly design too. This course is industry-related course and explained by industrial experts and experts from Dassault Systems. This course is pretty good and explained from the scratch to the end for the beginners also, more concentrating on structural analysis only. After completing the course, they had provided good resources for practice, and at the end they had conducted the test to showcase our understanding of this course and to showcase our skills. This type of conducting tests and explaining attracted me towards my journey with Career Labs. Webinars was conducted by Ms. Kritika Srinivasan ma'am about how to get admission in foreign universities, how to get an internship, or how to draft my resume and CV, and how to shortlist my universities according to my preferences. Simultaneously, Career Labs provided these resources, how to deal with my master's resume and a template to fill my preferences. These webinars helped me a lot in obtaining knowledge of process going out in foreign universities and how to ready our competitive resume for masters. Because of these webinars, I'm able to search my universities according to my preferences and had an idea what to do for an admission in competitive German universities. Coming to the point of support system of Career Labs, I would be thankful to Alan Joseph sir, Kritika ma'am, and Rohit Reddy sir. My more thanks to Alan Joseph sir because he helped me a lot in my tricky situations faced in my journey with Career Labs, and to Kritika ma'am for valuable suggestions about my profile building. And last, my thankful to the Rohit Reddy sir for giving me assurance that admission will be easy in German universities, which would be difficult for obtaining it. My advice is, if anyone wants to pursue higher studies, go straight forward towards your goal and don't get distracted away from your goals like negative reviews about higher studies or any other foreign universities, or your friends got a placement in campus, why not me? If you got rejected either by company or by foreign university, don't get panic or depressed. Instead, assume that a big thing is waiting for you and work towards it. Don't work for your output results. Work for the process. At last, if you want to pursue higher studies, I would recommend to reevaluate your profile through Career Labs, and for internships, you can increase your network with professors or through LinkedIn or through your Career Labs company. At last, go and research a way where you can become another Elon Musk. Thank you.